Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you a super simple and effective way to make money from something you probably have lying around your house right now. It's a method that's not only easy, but also environmentally friendly. Yep, I'm talking about empty aluminum cans. These little items that we often overlook can actually be a gold mine if you know what to do with them. Believe it or not, these little guys can be turned into cash, and it's easier than you think. You might be surprised at how quickly the money can add up. First off, start by collecting as many cans as you can. This is the foundation of your aluminum can hustle. Raid your recycling bin, ask friends and family, or even your neighbors. You'd be amazed at how many cans you can gather just by asking around. The more you collect, the more money you'll make. It's that simple. Think of it as a numbers game. The more cans, the higher the payout. Now, here's the cool part. This is where the fun really begins. Once you've got a decent collection, it's time to find a local recycling center. These centers are the key to turning your cans into cash. Most towns have them, and they usually pay you by the pound. The more your cans weigh, the more money you get. Aluminum is a valuable metal, so the money can add up quickly. It's a great way to make some extra cash without much effort. Just Google recycling centers near me, and you're good to go. But wait, there's more. You can optimize your efforts even further. You can increase your earnings by crushing the cans before you take them in. This simple step can make a big difference. Crushed cans take up less space, meaning you can transport more of them in one trip. This means fewer trips and more money in your pocket. This not only saves you time, but also maximizes your profit. Efficiency is key when it comes to making the most out of your aluminum can hustle. Plus, it's oddly satisfying. Trust me. There's something therapeutic about crushing cans and knowing you're making money while doing it. If you want to take this to the next level, think about scaling up. This is where you can really start to see significant returns. Partner with local businesses, restaurants, or event venues. These places generate tons of empty cans and often just throw them away. By offering to take them off their hands, you're providing a valuable service. Offer to take them off their hands for free. This way you get a steady supply of cans without any cost. You're doing them a favor, and you're boosting your income. Win-win. It's a great way to build relationships and grow your can collection network. Another tip? Stay informed about the market. Keep an eye out for special promotions or higher rates. Some recycling centers offer bonuses or extra cash for large amounts of aluminum. This can significantly boost your earnings. Stay informed and always look for the best deal. A little research can go a long way in maximizing your profits, and there you have it. Turning empty aluminum cans into cash is not only eco-friendly but also a fantastic way to earn some extra money. It's a win for you and a win for the environment. Just collect, crush, and cash in. So get started today. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll see the benefits. It's time to turn those empty cans into a full wallet. Imagine all the things you could do with that extra cash. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Catch you in the next video. Until then, happy recycling.